At Queensland's annual Magic Millions yearling sale, Apollo Ng knows that having a plan, years of experience, and lots of patience doesn't always guarantee success.
It went over the roof. I intend to pay probably 250,000, but it went over for 450,000.
On this day, the 53-year-old Hong Kong resident did manage to sell a horse, and more importantly, take part in an industry tradition that continues to fuel his passion.
I think it's the speed. It's the glamour and excitement. Horse racing is not only the racing itself, but it's also the carnival atmosphere.
Australia's thoroughbred industry is enjoying a steady increase in annual sales, and at events like this, a growing overseas interest.
If you go back 2 years ago, 15% of the turnover could be attributed to international buyers. Just last year it was 30%.
And Chinese buyers,
yeah, we bought one, yeah, maybe 4 or 5 later,
are leading the way.
With the economy going the way it is, and a lot of money is coming out of China still, so it's an attractive place for Chinese to sort of park their money in Australia, whether it's in bloodstock or in horses, and the prize money is there, and that's driving the sector.
Part of the appeal for prospective overseas buyers is that Australia has a reputation for producing some of the fastest horses on the planet.
In Southeast Asian racing, most of our races are on, firstly, similar sort of grounds, and secondly, similar sort of distances. And Australian thoroughbreds are much easier to acclimatize.
200,000 in front.
Analysts say an increasing number of Chinese buyers are choosing to race their horses in Australia and purchase Aussie horse farms.
You know, if this was a marathon, I'd just be going around the first bend in terms of what the potential is from China.
After 20 years in the industry, Apollo Ng's participation in events like this is less about investment opportunities.
Well, I've had 2 runners in the big race since then. Unfortunately, both got beat because of the wide barrier draw. I'm looking forward for my 3rd time lucky.
And more about the thrill of one day owning a big winner. Navarro, CGTN, Brundle.